When I locked my car, I would hear this buzzing noise. I found out it was coming from this gas door. I found out I need to replace this actuator, which helps lock and unlock the gas door. I have an affiliate link to the replacement part in the description below. Here, I'm just going to remove a bunch of things so I can get to that part and remove it from my car. There are a few things in the way to get to this part I need to get out. Just a note, you can look at the holes so that when you put the piece back in, you can pop it back into place. There's a gasket piece that's holding it in place that you'll remove. I used a regular screwdriver to start pulling the actuator out. You'll have to remove the plug and then push through that gasket piece. Now that broken part should be able to come out all the way. Here's the broken part on the left and the new part I bought on the right. The link to the description of the part is in the description below. Now I'm just going to put the new part in, going in reverse order. I found it hard to be able to push this piece back through the hole. So by adding a zip tie to it, I found it easier to pull it through the hole on the other end. After you pull it through, you can remove the zip tie. Plug this piece back in. And then push this gasket piece back into that hole to make a seal. You can do a quick test to make sure the lock and unlock button works and doesn't make that noise. And then put the piece back into place. You can do another test to make sure your gas door locks and unlocks without making that buzzing noise. and then put the rest of your car back together. Final test. No more noise. Success. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment below. If you need a part, check the description for the link. Thank you.